अभी हम जा रहे हैं अपने बोट पे, बोट शिप पे जाओ हमने एक घंटे 38 मिनट की जो राइड वो करनी है। और oh, it's a beautiful cocktail.
What's your name?
Okay,
Raju. Come. Can you hold this?
Yes, sure, sir.
hold on. $20.
चला गया है
One picture.
Please go.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Ready?
Coco.
Okay, no problem.
The movie reel is a $30,000 bird.
Oh my
Yeah. Is it true? Yeah,
The camera.
it's true. Wow. What happened?
You start taking pictures, I can put in the birds.
Okay, sir. Give me just a second, okay?
Cuac marbot.
Okay?
Yeah. Sí, está bien.
Taking pictures.
Yes, it's good.
Okay?
Abhi.
Yeah, but come a little. You got it?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to switch it up again. I'm going to take this.
Yeah, we got it. I got it.
Next one is super sweet. I'm going to put him on your shoulder, going to cuddle to the cheek. I love it. Look, Talba, give me your time. Relax, okay?
Yeah, relax. No worries. It's not bite.
Yeah. Got it?
See?
Now, put your hand like this. Smile.
Wow. It just turned.
Now we're going to take a funny picture.
Okay, sir. Okay. He got the new babies, huh?
Look at this.
Yeah. Woo. Just a second, okay? He got the new babies. Yep, he got it. Thank you. What about that one?
One on the head.
Yeah.
What about the small cockroaches? बस ऊपर से ना अटका मामा ट्रेनिंग इज अ ट्रेनिंग
Go ahead, sir. Got it?
यप
Good.
मामा डोंट टच लाइक दैट मामा
Just one. On the head. One on the head.
हे कोको व्हाट्स अप
Okay, smile.
आई गॉट इट सर
$20. 8, 10, 15 जो पड़ा है
तो मारो पडायला ना 20 में एक ज पिक्चर एक ज पिक्चर
look at here
Now your glasses.
कोको look at here yeah set it's good
ओए एक पडायला तारा जोड़े ओके
ना पाड़े से
$20.
तो आप देख सकते हैं कोको इज अ कोको
You take card?
Catch, sell, Venmo, or catch.
Carle
Thank you,
send कर
guys.
दे विमो पढ़ाई ले
can I take picture like that
Yeah.
अब बड़ा हो दीपा पढ़ा ले विमो मालिक
कोको
Hey, look, guys. You want to see something funny?
या
Look at this.
वीडियो उतार रोई
Let me see your wings. This bird's a very obedient.
Oh.
Let me see your yellow crest.
Uh-huh.
This bird here, look. Go to the bathroom. Potty train.
he did 40 oh my god
This bird here don't like the blue bird. Give it a
oh
finger.
you wow
Oh,
हाय हाय
amazing
give me high five. No?
Like this, like this.
like this give him high five you
वीडियो वन
I wanna do.
Okay, look.
wow
Stand here. I'm going to do something different. Hey, Bobby, hold this phone for me. Can you hold this phone?
yes sir
Something different.
Yeah, something different.
तेरा फोन जाके लेंज जता रही है आईफोन अच्छा है
होल्ड ऑन करो मोबाइल में
voice पकड़
See this bird here? This is from a movie reel. This is a $30,000 bird.
yeah it's a cockatiel is
Put your
expensive
head straight.
आ दीपा
Something different. Mom. Hey, look up.
Look up.
Look up. Wait, hold on. You give a little trick. Okay, go.
Woo! He's busy knitting.
Look up straight.
Give me a hand, sir.
पैसा हलवाना है ले
Mau video.
हलवाना हलवाना
जेल कर देशु मामा जेल कर देशु
You got it?
Time, what's time? Check the time, guys.
Sir, listen.
Hey, થઈ ગઈ મામા ફિનિશ ચલો ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો છે બોટ જલ્દી નીકળી જશે પણ કહેતા નહીં
मामा जल्दी पढ़ाई ले $10 दे
થેન્ક યુ બા
Right. Don't move, don't move. Gonna give you some love.
શું કરે ડોળા કે
છે?
હેડો લેવા બોલ જતી રહેશે.
Hey, what's up?
Sit in a coconut. This one. High five.
આનું છે બચારું હો.
બચ્ચો.
લો લે ફટાફટ પિક્ચર લો.
લીધા લે આ ભાઈ બહુ લીધા તારા લાગે એવું.
Okay, you got it?
જય ગાડે પા. ટાઈમ નહીં દીપાઓ 10 મિનિટ છે પતી
કર
ગયું
દે.
અને આ 10 મિનિટમાં ઉપડી જશે બસ
અને એને પૈસા આલવાના હે ફટાફટ હો.
યા
વન ફિંગર
No, we don't have time. I say like.
No comment.
એક વિડિયો ઉતારજે મસ્ત હાઈ ફાઈવ
To you guys.
શું આપણે કીધું
તારી જ. I'm ready.
પછી આનો
હું દીપાન
ફોટો
લઈને આવ્યો. હું દીપાન લઈને આવ્યો તમે નીકળો.
દીપા દીપા
No, see, they don't like each other. Look. Even the finger. They don't like each other.
Can I have one picture with the right one?
જેલ કર પેલા.
Oi, एक picture.
bro what's up hi how are you
Go high five.
This one.
High five. Which one, man?
India
One more time.
yeah
Haiti.
oh from AZ how you doing how you doing everything good yeah all right yeah you work here which job oh you with him oh you're 30 years oh that's good man yeah
What I do, like, I mean, before, I pay the bird, I pay them a while.
oh you pet him oh I got it you're doing food everything like that that's the good but it looks good and I know the coconut I have a lot of coconuts in India also so I know that but it's good that's uh-huh oh yeah I know that thank you Bobby take care